Hello everyone, you are watching Money Time and this is your host Shaurya. And today we will discuss all the big personal finance news of the day. So let's begin with inflation. Finance Ministry has said that retail inflation has fallen in October because of the steps taken by the government in the past. The ministry claims that measures taken by the government will help curtail prices of goods and services in the future also. According to the ministry, the government took measures to increase domestic supply of consumer items. This helped in bringing the prices of consumer items under control. The government prudently regulated the stock limits on various agriculture commodities. As a result, food inflation fell to 7.01% in October. Inflation is down and so are exports. Commerce Ministry has said that India's exports have dropped by more than 16% year-on-year to $29.78 billion in October, but imports increased to more than $56 billion. However, so far in the current financial year, the exports have risen by more than 12% to $263 billion, while imports have clocked more than $436 billion. This signifies that the government has imported almost 66% more than what it exported. If you are looking to invest in NPS, then this is the big news for you. Opening of NPS accounts has become all the more easy and completely digitized. Now, you are not even required to submit physical copies of a document at the time of opening your account. But for this, you need to register yourself with CKYCR. Now, what is this CKYCR? Well, it is a centralized repository where citizens can keep all their KYC documents and run by the government. So, if you are registered with CKYCR, then PFRDA will itself check your KYC documents and open your NPS account. A few more banks have increased rates on fixed deposits. Let's check out which are those banks. Axis Bank has increased fixed deposit rates on Tuesday. Now, customers can get as high as 6.5% on FDs of 18 months. On 1-year deposits, account holders can get about 6.25% interest rate with the private lender. Senior citizens can get additional rate of 0.75% over and above applicable rates, but only on those FDs which are booked for 1 year or above. While Bank of Baroda, on the other hand, is giving 7.25% interest rates to senior citizens on FDs of 399 days, but premature withdrawal facility is not allowed. Banks have been also raising lending rates. State-owned SBI has raised its marginal cost of funding-based lending rates to 8.05%. Banks sanction most of the consumer loans at rate of interest determined on the basis of 1-year MCLR. Due to this, different types of loans like personal, home and auto loans of SBI will become costlier. Next news is for unit holders of Mindspace Real Estate Investment Trust. Good news for unit holders of Mindspace Business Parks REIT. Those who invest in this real estate investment trust will get a dividend of 4.75 rupees per unit. Mindspace REIT has announced total dividend of 281 crore rupees for unit holders in Q2 FY23. Mindspace REIT announced that its net operating income has increased by 16% year-on-year to 417 crore rupees in the September quarter. It has invested in offices in the Mumbai region, Pune, Hyderabad and Chennai. Next news is on Amazon. According to media reports, after Twitter and Meta, starting this week, Amazon is planning to lay off around 10,000 employees. This will be the biggest layoff in the history of Amazon. As of 31st December last year, Amazon had more than 16 lakh full-time and part-time employees all around the globe. Now, to save cost, it has also put brake on hiring for next few months. Next news is for all those who have taken a keen interest in electric vehicles. Warren Buffett-backed BYD has launched Atto 3 electric SUV in India. Now, it comes at an ex-showroom price of 33.99 lakh rupees. You can charge 80% of battery in just 1 hour. But home AC chargers will take up to 10 hours to completely charge the vehicle. BYD claims that e-SUV can touch 100 km per hour in just 3.7 seconds. And you can drive the vehicle for more than 500 km on a single charge. Other striking features is that you will get rotating infotainment screen, sunroof, keyless entry, built-in air purifier to name few. The SUV will be available in the shades of blue, red, grey and white. Next news is from Microsoft. You can pre-book latest laptops of Microsoft. These are Microsoft Surface Laptop 5 and Surface Pro 9. The base variant of the former is priced at 1,07,999 rupees. You will also get a complimentary mouse worth 7,409 rupees. On the other hand, Surface Pro will cost you 1,05,999 rupees. You will get a free keyboard worth 14,999 rupees. Surface Laptop 5 comes in 13.5 inch and 15 inch screens size variants. It will have a maximum storage of 1 TB. Some of the common features of both these laptops are Windows 11, multi-touch screen, 12th gen Intel Core processor, etc. Deliveries of both these laptops will commence from 29th November. You can buy it from offline or online store. And now it's time for IPO update. The IPO of Inox Green Energy wound up today on D Street. The 740 crore rupee IPO got tepid response from investors. The IPO quota was subscribed only 39% by 4 PM on the last day. Although retail quota was oversubscribed by 178%. While shares of microfinance got listed on the exchanges on Tuesday, its IPO too had got tepid response on D Street. Investors had subscribed only 78% of the total size. Just after listing, its stock price fell below the IPO price of 368 rupees. On BSE, its counter almost plunged 10% and script closed at 324 rupees per share. Well, that's it for today. Hope you like this content and find it useful. Now, if you want to get more content like this, then you can follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, and you can also download our app from the Play Store.